Okay, now we're going to talk about the volume of pyramids and cones. So in our recent lesson, we told you that a volume of a prism, whether it's a cylinder or a cuboid or some other type of prism, is the area of the base, which is the bottom part, times the height. Okay? So, here we go. And for the area of a base, we often use a capital B. Okay, so capital B standing for the area of the base, right? So, all right. Now, in our experiment that we did today, or in the video, we found out that the volume of the cone was 1/3 this. So basically, if I know the volume of the same cylinder, all I have to do is multiply 1/3 times this formula in order to get the area of the cone, or the volume of the cone. So this is the volume of the pyramid or cone. Okay, so let's look at an example right here. So we've got this cone here. We know that the radius is 3. So the first thing we need to do is find the area of the circle. So the circle area is pi r squared. So pi times 3 squared is going to give me the area of the circle. And so that's going to be the area of the circle equals 9 pi. Okay, and if I'm using my calculator, I can approximate that. 9 times pi, and I get 28.3. I'm just going to write it down. 28.3. Okay, and now if we multiply that by the height of 8, then the cylinder volume is this value, 28.3, times the height, which is 8, and let's figure that out. Times 8 is going to give me 226.2. Okay, that's the volume of the cylinder. And then finally, the volume of the cone equals 1/3 of that answer, 22.6.2. And so if I take that answer and times 1/3, we get times 1/3, or simply divide by 3, right? And I get 75.4. And let's just write units cubed. And so that's the volume of the cone. All right, let's do a couple more examples. We've got a square pyramid. Okay. This is a square pyramid. So that means the bottom is square. Da, 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 da. Shocking. Okay, so we need to figure out the volume, the area of the square, the base area, is equal to 7 times 5. 7 centimeters times 5 centimeters is going to give me 35 centimeters squared. That's the area of the base. Okay, so now we're going to find the volume of the pyramid. It's going to be 1/3 the base area times the height. So the base area is 35 centimeters squared, and the height is 12 centimeters. Okay, so if I only use the blue and the pink, that would give me the area of the prism, volume of the prism, sorry. But by multiplying it by 1/3, that gives me the volume of the pyramid, because it comes up to a point. Okay, so let's do this. 35 times 12 divided by 3. 35 times 12 divided by 3. And I get 140. And that's centimeters cubed. There we go. Let's do one more. Now, this one might be a little trickier. My base area is a triangle. So the area of the base equals, oh, and there's supposed to be a little square there. Okay. So the base area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. Now I'm using a lowercase b for the base of the triangle, the length of the line, and a capital B for the area of the base. So the area of this triangle is going to be equal to 1/2 3 times 4. Okay, which is going to give me, because the base is a triangle, so this area is going to be, well, 1/2 of 4 is 2, and 2 times 3 is 6. So 6 meters squared is this base of this triangle. Now our height is 4 centimeters. So the volume of the cone, or pyramid, equals 1/3 our base area times the height. So our base area is 6 meters squared. Right? And the height is 4 meters. So let's find this answer. 6 times 4 is 24, divided by 3, and I get 8. So the volume of the pyramid equals 8 meters cubed. And there you have it.